on top of the nation. Today we dey discuss things when they say the vexers for this country. What in be the thing when they say we go talk? What in make us talk all this thing now? To take for start with how we go take help our own self. We know say God. You see. Government will talk. Now me and you be government too.
Yes, so
now
me and you. Those ones when sit down say. Just leave. Down. I say, what will the government?
What will the no. Now me and you. Now ourselves the government.
Yes.
For example, now. Waiting, that waiting where I talk now. Imagine, say the guy as he want enter now, okay, he just respect himself, come meet me, say, Baba, beg. As matter this one, I don't drive past. You know, get how go take turn, go back. I beg, if you allow me, not vex. I know say it did wrong. Allow me make her enter. I go allow you enter.
It's simple.
Simple.
But to just chance.
You see, make I tell you one gist. This fourth oil filling station here. One day we won't go live. I can make I rush go to that filling station, go buy fuel. Because now weekend, make I come, we can go live. As soon as I did, and I come see one guy with it. I said, bros, I beg. I suppose you're on TV now. Now just to 8. Make I quickly just buy this sweat, make I come out. I don't do inside the filling station, no. The guy look me, the guy tell me say no. Say they in a hurry. I say, boss, I beg, seat time. My people don't wait for me. I need to go on air. The guy saying 2-7 days in a hurry. You need to go watch movie. I just open mouth like this. My mouth not closed. He say in ticket for movie now. He say you need to go see movie for cinema right now. I said, bros, I need to go. He said no, you need to go see movie. Say no, go feel it or make I buy for it. I have to look the guy. This guy buying for a quiet. In babe did the other side. They get the look. They get the look him. They get the look me. She won't talk, but she not talk. She just keep quiet. The guy say no, 60 time. You need to go see a movie now. Say we'll go watch a movie. I just shocked.
You see, not be say what they say.
We say for shock, we not fit talk.
You understand? Not be say what they say. This person bad, that person bad. No.
See, now all of us.
Now all of us.
All
of us.
We are perpetually, when they say the heart of man is desperately wicked.
So terrible.
This is the one, life and direct.
You see, this same way I talk, say police told me for Chevron. One day, for that same Ajawa, they follow come. I want the alternative route before that first toll gate. Yes. I want to go past there because I say, at least I see traffic. Police can't drive near me, say, Oga, not past that alternative route. The traffic where they front, now small one, just they go. Now, when I reach there, I see a small traffic. Now I want to look at the police. I say, Oga, thank you. He say, no problem, no problem. Good, beautiful police officers there, where they do them plenty. But as we be human being, let me they talk. Now, ourselves, make we change our own self.
Yes.
If we go fit change, if we go fit... Hello, Emerson, good evening.
Our thinking, but I don't know whether that one is possible like that.
How you doing?
I did fine, my brother. Good evening. How you doing?
Even Cassie, how you doing?
I did, my brother. What's in the verse you?
My sister. What's in the verse me as I did like this, Why we in Nigeria not feel love ourselves? No matter I people, Yoruba, why we not feel love ourselves?
We not feel love ourselves.
When we say you go see your personal person, you follow Nigeria, you go think make you do bad now. No be when you love yourself, with the call government. Who be the government?
Who be the government? Now we.
God go bless you.
Who be the government?
No be me and you be the government.
Now we.
You go come for road, you go see hold up. Wetin cause that hold up? Nothing. Now I no agree. Now it cause that hold up.
I don't agree.
Yes. Hold up. Even small accidents.
Small something. What if you say you go respect yourself? Clear for road.
30 seconds.
They not send. They go block that road. You go see traffic. They find. You go come wonder. What is the cause traffic? You go see say na scratch when they scratch somebody.
Say.
Government with the call president. President na in there for road.
I don't know. I get at me. Good question.
Let
me ask.
Now president they road. Now president they offices when they will say you go see. Emerson, make the one when they say just come my mind now. My papa, I say my papa, my mama. When she was retired from civil service, her file, Emerson, you know how many years they take hide the file. They hide the file.
President hide them.
And now now president hide them.
Top 5.
Now president hide them.
Oh,
you know, I just fly go Abuja, go can follow my mama go there. After don't okay, you go buy food for us now. But before they come on her file, come process. So where the file they since
you need to fly from one state to another.
Just for you to come buy food for them.
For company when they work, when we say a person get that company, they say you can't find work for company. You bring your file, you qualify for the team. Because of say you know no person for that company, they no give you
They
that.
no go give you.
Yes.
Now government, na cause am.
Yeah,
Now government, thank you. Now government cause am. So,
Why we Nigerians, we know they do something we're supposed to do as a human being. When you love yourself, if you love yourself, now you say you go love another person.
another person.
Say, they say you go see wetin you supposed to help person, you go carry and keep because of say the person, you know what make him be as you be. Making the answer you start.
Oh.
Yeah.
Make it answer you sir every day. Then you now, as it answer you sir, your mpako, you gonna go up
Yes,
every day. If they add money for your pocket.
I don't know.
Anyway,
If I no look down for those people when need that money, the money I get now waste now my
now waste.
now waste. In a very good day, all those things I go leave them.
One day you go die, you go leave all those things.
Leave all those things.
What happens after?
Okay, what people not they understand for this life, we say, not be this earth life finish, so you go die, it get somewhere where they go.
When you reach there,
Everything. What you want carry from here, go there.
What you want to carry from here, go there.
things when they give you make you take care of
I don't know.
and do.
Hey, Marcin, I beg, thank you very much, my
Marcin,
brother.
God bless you.
Yeah, God
This
bless
thing when you talk so.
You see, when they talk, me, I can never blame government. I will not. Now, me go be the last person go blame government.
To say, okay,
Now
government
we,
is-
now we be the government.
We
for
know
this
they
country.
help.
We know they help
that.
ourselves.
You know, yeah. Ma Bantom, you enter your native language and stay there and speak your native language.
To take for start with. When he must in the talk, I remember one. How many times you don't see for Linda Ikeji or for different blog, Stella Demococcus, where you go see person where then go post picture, you go see the pikin back, they use cane flog am, use iron, do am for back. You go they wonder wetin happen. Now
true.
how now house girl where madam born him back, you go come ask
na
yourself wetin she do.
Yes.
Because of say he chop food. You don't ask yourself why this pikin go thief this food in the first place.
No, all you just see is, hey, eating food.
Hey, eating food.
Yeah,
I born
I
am.
kill
Then
you.
when they come hold you, you go say, na devil work, na anger wey enter my body. If you dey give that pikin food to start with, you when they hear me, you get house girl for house. How you take the? In fact, this house girl matter, I carry am personally for my. I wish I fit arrange get NGO of myself when they get this house girl issue. You don't go church on Sunday. You go see how. You go fit differentiate. You go fit talk difference between house girl
God
and the
bless you.
pikin
Yes.
of the madam.
Yes.
You go see house girl.
why they be like
you go
that?
dress
Why they
like
be
you
like
go
that?
dress.
Yes.
I don't know why.
They
Why
go tell
you
you
not
say-
fit buy fine clothes for your house
No,
girl?
he said, they go tell you, say, no, we don't want Oga Eye to be looking at house girl. Others go tell you, say, no, Nyama tomorrow now, my house girl go now, they begin to be like, say, she
House
get
girl get
boy
one specific
under her
hairstyle.
armpit.
House girl
No.
gets why be say why be say house girl they no go plait in hair. House girl they must cut her hair. You go see house girl for church. House
She
girl
must
go
sit
be
down for ground.
House girl must sit
If
down
she
for ground.
fit- Yes, if she fit sit down.
Why?
I don't know. They say, you know, say people, it dey different. You talk now, they go say, no, I don't dey too nice to house girl. House girls don't show me shege.
Don't show me
You nice,
shege.
you nice, give them. They go, they climb your oga in your hand. You nice, give them tomorrow.
So that one na enough excuse for you to treat your house girl since you not be human being.
No.
Now, person when you be say you take care of your pikin, why you not go treat am right?
Because tomorrow, if you know there, you know what
You know what you do give your pikin? Benson, good evening from Bayelsa.
Thank you.
Benson, talk to us. We dey hear you.
Ogamidu.
Eh?
You see, the truth of the matter is the things when we say, all the things when we say, they talk their truth, now the truth, because the police for this our side for Bayelsa here, like wetin dem dey do when it invest us, when it invest particularly me myself. For river when we say with the pool, if mistake when these pirates come pirate any boat and happen say the boat go reach where police people dey, instead of to help them, na to collect money from them again. So them and the sea pirates who be pirates. You see wetin dey inside.
Okay.
The pirates don thief the boat go.
You
They
yourself
don
come
now
thief,
the people now come say police people na peacemakers wey dem go reach the place
They collect money.
to save them.
They go still collect money.
When they reach here, tell police say police nothing dey o, they don just rob us now. The next thing wey you go hear say abeg give us our own, that one na their own they don collect. Not be two pirates be that.
Now the two pirates.
Yeah, so
Marry two
onto
pirates.
one person. Thank you, Jerry.
Benson, thank you very much. On top Twitter,
February
people.
on top Twitter say Felix say for 3 days now we never see light. Now that one they vex me. February Godwin say one filling station for Asaba yesterday sell fuel for 86 naira 50 because DPP they after they leave then change them to 130 naira.
Now tell me, is that not wickedness of our own human beings?
Because DPP people they
because of say those way they took eye on top the selling of fuel they there. Now which means you know wetin dey good. Yes.
And you not do am.
And you not do am.
yes.
Even Bible talk am say if you know wetin dey good you not do am, it becomes sin to you.
No, everybody want now house they want bill on top this extra money where they make on top. I don't know. You know say that time I always tell people say, you know say the president and all these NNP people they talk say petrol day. Now the people when they sell the petrol not going to sell the petrol for normal. They make people believe say petrol not there so that they can sell the thing in a higher price. Meanwhile, petrol day.
If you get one filling station for Aja, then not they always sell fuel at normal rate. You go there, they go tell you say, Ogana 120 naira per liter. If you not buy, come out. I know one call the name. Mommy Muna, good evening.
Edu and Katim,
good evening.
How are they?
We dey fine, no. I better talk to us.
The heart of man is desperately wicked.
Mommy Muna, talk am. This night, sir, talk am.
Quickly wicked.
Desperately, feverishly, all the Englishly.
Oh God, you.
My brother, sister.
In fact, I feel like crying. We are, in fact, Nigerians are very wicked. I traveled to Ghana. These Ghanaians, you see the kind of love they have for themselves.
You understand?
Jesus. The kind of love they share. They can die for one another.
Why would not we love ourselves?
But for years.
It's not in our DNA.
For example, if you want to go and look for a job, they will say, where are you from? You say, I'm from Anambra State. You say, which part of Anambra State? You say, Agulu. They say, which compound in Agulu? You say, okay. They say, which of the okay?
Hi.
Which club you support?
This is wickedness of the highest order. Look at this Fulani headsmen. Look at the way they are slaughtering people.
You understand?
Taking blood, killing people anyhow. Nobody is coughing.
Mommy Muna, thank you, I beg.
Tomato issue. This tomato issue that the other woman said. The one I bought, my own, me and Katim bought the same rate.
Okay.
500.
Yes. Mommy Muna, I beg ask me, waiting, how much then they don't increase your salary? No.
God bless you.
How do you want to take it?
3.
How do you want to increase your salary?
How do you want to take
I
it?
remember that tomatoes for my because I keep them there. I no use them.
Waiting 3 tomato one cook for you.
Hey, God.
I was going to work this morning. I saw a woman. She was crying under the rain. They were evicted in their house just this morning. Under that rain, the man was throwing their things outside. I was, in fact, I gave the woman everything. It was only my transport to work that I put in my purse and move on. I was helping her to cry. It's painful. People should have a nice day. You are doing a great job. God bless you.
Thank
you very much.
And see, I not go lie give you, if not be say with the TV, cry, they do me to cry. If they do me to cry, I swear, they do me to cry. See, to that day, one woman, come out, go carry jerry can from office. If you see the woman, come down from her, they drive her.
Yes.
Enter, make she go buy fuel. They say, madam, we're not going to sell fuel to jerry can because of this black market. Now the woman go ask him, Oga, look me finish. I be like person where go buy fuel, go sell them.
For black market.
For black market. My children not fit sleep for night if gen not they own, if light not they. I beg, help me for my children's sake. They're not go sell.
Then say
But
no.
you give them money.
But if you give them money, then go say, why we not feel love ourselves?
You know here what's in the last call, mommy somebody say the heart of man is desperate. I say all the lily, all the
discuss about things when you say they vex us for this country, but the bottom line of everything, the one thing when they say all of us hold for mind right now, forget government. Government they do what they do. The government they do what they take know them for.
After all,
now we. Now, case will be to talk something. For our forefathers' time, it not be like this.
I better give us that pastor gist.
Now this we never want come pastors their own.
You know,
we never want come pastors where they lie.
Say something on top Twitter. Now make me clap. He say enough hours in a day, no day to talk about issues when they vex Nigerians.
Issues when they vex us plenty, but the number one root of the whole issues, I say we not love ourselves.
No.
Pastor, when they come, this one happened on Sunday according to Kisulu. Pastor, when they come back from church, as they come back from church, I saw somebody drive, wah, go hit am for motor. Pastor park in motor, come down,
You know quarrel.
come on, Jack. Go the man
Come out
motor.
his spanner.
Jack, he hit the man motor. Bah, bah, enter your own motor.
Drive, go.
You just preach from church, finish. What would they try talk be say? I beg, make we love ourselves. Easy be to talk about something now about you get one movie they call Pay It Forward. I don't want that movie, an old movie. Somebody do something nice to the guy. And the guy could say, thank you for this nice thing waiting for me. How I go take repay you? Then the guy tell and say, no repay me.
Do it.
What you go do?
Yes.
Say, this nice thing what I do to you. Look for three other people. Do them to them. If you do that nice thing to other 3 people, tell those other 3 people, this is what I do to you. Do to 3 other people. Our country, see, somebody they talk about for Ghana. Will they travel go other countries?
No, I'm not sure say anybody travel like Nigerians. Nigerians, they waka.
Will they travel go? Okay, I remember when I did grow up for Christmas, for Kakuri. I got that P5 go to street Kakuri for Kaduna. I remember one Christmas day like this. We go there for house. Mama Idoko go bring rice, can't give you now. Their own right. You go chow.
Yeah.
This man go bring rice, can't give you now. Now go chow. But today,
You say no.
you go we don't know what in put it in the dustbin, no. We don't know what they put inside.
Say this woman, I don't trust her. The way she has
This woman, the way she has been looking, I not trust her more. I beg. Now we don't lose them.
Since.
What would they try to be say? Make we go back to how it's supposed to be. Make we dey nice to ourselves. Before we do something to another person, ask yourself.
No, think am.
Put
yourself in the person's shoe.
Put yourself in that person's
Say
shoe.
true. If person do this thing or do this thing to my pikin, my husband, my wife, my mother, my grandmother, any just
To
put
even
yourself.
stop, I don't want to mention this headsman, Mataba, go talk am. You carry knife, cut person. The person, they beg you. You, they see blood.
See the cut now.
You see they cut am.
Yes, sir. Because that time, they're not human beings. And it be like, say, all
You see they cut am. He not touch you for body. Say, this person, why they cut when they beg me, make a live am.
No, how they go live?
Why?
Be like you a Boko Haram.
Why?
You Boko Haram go see those bring back our girls, all those small innocent girls.
You go they do bad thing to person. See that this is for the way when this woman talk now. Then throw away person property. Woman. My husband not there.
Early morning
For rain. I sure say the woman go they beg. Oh God, you wait to wait the woman property for rain. If not you go like her.
Okay, you know as things.
You know how things be for this country. You go like her. I beg. I need that beg. Make we dey love ourselves. It starts with you when they hear me, when they watch us, loving your neighbor. That neighbor where you dey quarrel with. Wetin be the reason wey make you dey quarrel with? If you die this night, go heaven. God go happy with you. Ask yourself. If you ask yourself question, all the things wey you don do throughout this month, God go happy with you if you die go heaven this night. God go tell you say, my brother, you try enter heaven. He go tell you like that.
We don't close show.
I beg, we don't talk finish. What do you try talk? We say, I beg, make we love ourselves. Make we love ourselves. If we love ourselves,
Some people go to talk when as some people dey in their house now, as they do, and me and they do they talk now. You go say, they do. You just they talk your own. No, love ourselves. We don't hear you now. Okay?
you understand? Because if I love my neighbor, he not get how money what supposed you stay do road, I go chop am. If I love my neighbor, he don't get how money what supposed to use for something we go better other people I go chop. Make we love our.
Some people know they wired.
I beg.
To love another person. Some people know just they
love your neighbor as you love yourself.
Everybody na one man island as we be so now for this night. Everybody is just one man island.
I beg.
And now I come for me now. If everybody fit generate their own light, me no inverter or maybe generator. If to say you fit go somewhere, go manufacture your own light for yourself. My prayer is when they come up for self student,
my prayer saying that God will give you the strength. God will give you the grace. If you not get the grace, pray for God, make He give you the grace, make you love your neighbor. Now everything we will get to talk with that. Una good night. Nigeria go better, all of us go better, the whole world will be better place. Una good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.